this video, I'll show you how to claim gifted Robux on Roblox. First, open the Roblox app and tap the notifications bell at the top of the screen. If someone has sent you Robux using Roblox's official gifting feature, you'll see a notification here. Simply tap Accept to claim the Robux if prompted. If you don't see the gift, a parent may need to approve the transfer through their linked parent account. If you're under 18 and don't have a parent account connected yet, you can add one by going to Settings, Parental Controls. If you're 18 or older, make sure you've completed Roblox's age verification, as this may be required to receive certain Robux transfers. You can also check on the official Roblox website. Sign in to your account, click the Robux icon at the top of the page, and select My Transactions. If the Robux came from selling an item, it may appear under Pending Robux until the holding period ends. You can also scroll down to Robux transfers received and click View All to see your complete history of incoming Robux transfers. In some cases, the Robux may already have been added directly to your balance without any action required. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.